In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Slack. Before we begin, it's important to understand that deleting a Slack workspace is permanent. This action removes the workspace's messages, files, member information, and other associated data, and it cannot be undone. Also, only the primary workspace owner can complete this process. If you're an admin or regular member, you won't see the option to delete the workspace, so make sure you're signed in with the correct account before you start. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the top left area of the screen and click on your workspace name in the sidebar. This opens the main workspace menu. From there, look for Tools and Settings, or in some versions, Administration, and then click Workspace Settings. Slack will open the Workspace Settings page in your browser, where the account and management options are located. When that settings page loads, make sure you're on the main settings tab. If you're on a different tab, switch back so you can follow the path correctly. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This section contains the more advanced and sensitive controls, so take your time and read carefully as you go. Near the bottom, you should find an option labeled Delete Workspace. Click the red Delete Workspace link to continue. At this point, Slack will verify whether your account has the required permissions. If you do, you'll be taken to a final warning page that explains the consequences of deleting the workspace. This is the point where you should pause for a second and make sure you really want to proceed, because there's no recovery once the deletion is confirmed. Next, check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you understand the workspace and all of its data will be permanently removed. After that, click in the password field and enter your current Slack account password. This is a security step to confirm your identity. Once you've entered it, click Confirm Password. After your password is accepted, you'll see the final red button that says, Yes, delete my workspace. Click that button to complete the process. Slack will then remove the workspace, disconnect access, and take you back to the main Slack homepage. And that's it. That's how to delete a workspace in Slack. Make sure you only use this option when you're absolutely certain, since it's meant to be a permanent action. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.